Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ask MCT Chris. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Excel spreadsheet using Python. So stay tuned, but before we start, let's watch my intro. So these are the 5 files that we're going to amalgamate into one Excel spreadsheet using Python. So what I'm going to do in here first is I'm going to open my command prompt. And in my command prompt, I'm just going to go and change the directory into the D drive, demo files, and then press enter. There you go. And then if I will do a directory there, I've got all my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code by typing code space dot, and Visual Studio Code opens. So I'm now going to open in here or create a file, and in the file I'm going to create will be named combine excel.py. The first thing we need to do is import some modules. The first module that we're going to import will be the globe module. The globe module will be the one that will create an Excel spreadsheet and read that. The second module that we're going to import is the pandas, because we're going to create a data frame, and I'm just going to alias the pandas as PD. And then we'll specify the path where we're going to get our Excel spreadsheet, and that would be on the D drive, and that would be on the demo, and then the files folder. After which, we're now going to look at the path, the files in the path. So that would be, we're going to look at file list variable, and then calling the globe module, calling the globe properties or method, passing on the path, and then we will now append the extension of all the files that has an XLSX extension. After that, we're going to create a list of Excel files that we wanted to merge. But before we do that, we're going to create a variable first, which is an Excel list variable. So I'm going to call it Excel list, and it's going to be an empty list for now. And then we'll do a for loop populating that Excel list. So we'll do for file in our file list. What will we do? We're going to append into our Excel list the panda read Excel. And then what are we reading? We are reading each file in the loop. And that will now be appended onto our Excel list. After doing that, we will now merge it. So I'm going to create a variable in here called Excel merge, and then I'm going to call our panda, and I will say concat our Excel list, and we will ignore any index in there. And after which, we can now save it into our demo file. So that would be Excel merge to Excel, and then open. What do we want to name our file? Let's call it bank merged.xlsx, and then we will turn off the index. And that's it. That's all we need to do. So I'm going to open a new terminal in here, and then I'll just call Python and then call combine excel.py, press enter, and then the next thing we see would be an Excel spreadsheet bank merge, and we have all the data coming from all of those 5 sheets. And to double check on that, so if I'm just going to turn on the filter in here, we can see all the Excel spreadsheet in there. And there you go. That's how you combine Excel spreadsheets into one using the Pandas module in Python. I hope you've learned something from this session. If you did, please hit that like button and please hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks from me. Thank you for watching.